Hey, this is a video in response to Chris Perillo. Yeah, I'm the computer guy. I have my own Ustream and my own blog TV. Prefer blog TV because it's better quality. I say, anyways. I'm here to tell you that Chris is a new client of the company that provides Flip, which I'm not 100% sure of the name. I can't remember it. But that's like why he's showing it. He's like, you should buy a better one. Good job, Chris. I mean, God, he's my idol. That's why I made my own web show at thecomputerguyshow.blogspot.com or thecomputerguyshows with an S .blogspot.com. Anyways, Chris Pro is awesome, but selling stuff on his web show, I haven't seen him do that before. So, a little edgy on that. And my account on YouTube, known as NB100, it is really low rated, but his freaking is maxed out. I swear that pop up every 5 seconds. Mine isn't because I'm not rated here, but I'm rated as a computer guy on my web show, which I have 300 viewers a night, and I do a constant stream like he does. Most of the time it ain't this view. I usually have like the camera over like this way. It's like down on me, like. But I'm saying I've never seen Chris Perillo do it before. Sell stuff, and I gotta say, I'm kind of deceived. Sorry, Chris.